That is your great-great-grandma, Molly.
My gosh, she looks just like my granny.
Get ready for a journey of personal discovery that begins with a new leaf.
Hi, I'm Daisy Fuentes. Welcome to A New Leaf. Sylvia!
Daisy!
Hi!
I'm so excited!
I'm so happy to meet you.
Me too.
This is gonna be great.
Jitters.
Tell me everything.
Oh my gosh, where do you want me to start? This has been a milestone year for me. I turned 40. I became a brand new grandma. And so I just feel like this is the right time to start learning about my family history, my ancestry. I know a lot about, my Polynesian background, but like, what else could there be? I don't really know much about my great-great-grandparents. And if I could start filling in some blanks and share that with baby Saint's generation.
What do you say we really dig deep and find out?
Let's do it. I'm excited. I'm ready.
All right, Sylvia, so where would you like to start?
How about DNA? Oh, wow.
Seeing all of her DNA at once, Sylvia was a little surprised. She knew she was over half Polynesian. What she didn't know is she's about 1/4 European and almost a quarter sub-Saharan African. On her father's side, Sylvia has never traced back further than her grandfather.
And now tell me what you see.
She looks like my grandma.
That is your great-great-grandma, Molly.
My gosh, she looks just like my granny.
So your great-great-grandmother was born in 1858 in Kentucky, which of course means that she was likely born enslaved.
Wow.
She passed away in 1935, so she did live through the emancipation and lived the end of her life as a free woman.
Now, get ready to meet your great-great-grandfather, Charles Shaw.
Oh my gosh. This is Molly's husband.
Yes. Now, I have something for you that is rare for that time, and that's his obituary.
Oh. Charles Shaw, age 65, a highly respected colored man living on the farm of L.J. Larkin, died this morning. He was a native of Virginia and has been a tenant on the above-named farm for 30 years. He leaves a wife and 10 children. The funeral was held this afternoon and was in charge of the Colored Lodge of Masons.
He was very respected, and he was a member of the Masonic Walden Lodge number 17, so he was a Freemason.
That is incredible.
Oh, Sylvia, I still have more stuff that I want to show you. There's more for you to learn, so what do you say you take a little trip with me?
Awesome, let's do it.
Hi.
Hi, how are you today?
Hi. Sylvia, I wanted to introduce you to Dr. Brenda Stevenson.
Nice to meet you, Dr. Stevenson.
It's so wonderful to meet you.
She is going to educate you on what life would have been like for your great-great-grandpa, Charles Shaw, as a Black Freemason in the 1800s. It's going to be fascinating, and I can't wait to hear all about it tomorrow at your Meet the Baby family reunion.
Thank you.
I'll leave you guys to it.
Okay.
So, what exactly did the Freemasons do?
Well, the Freemasons were really important. They're part of a self-help and uplift movement that Black people had during the time period. We were not thought of as being equal to other people, and we weren't treated that way. So Black people within their communities, within their masonry organizations, began to organize and to help themselves out. So this is a tradition that started way back in the 18th century. It's still thriving today. It's really important to the Black community, really important to Black manhood.
I am more than honored to learn all of this information and to meet you, for giving it all to me. Thank you so very much.
It is always wonderful to speak to someone about their glorious, wonderful families.
With the family gathering to meet her new grandson, Sylvia hopes to make a connection between the past and the future.
Hello, everybody. Oh, look, a little sleepy baby Saint. I'll leave you to it.
I've been super curious about my family history, kind of wanted to know more about my great-great-grandparents. And so they were able to go back and find my great-great-grandmother, Mary Molly Shaw. She was born into slavery. She lived through emancipation. So amazing. And then they were able to find my great-great-grandfather, Charles Shaw. He was an African-American Freemason, just telling my children that these are your great-great-great-grandparents. There's no words to describe how amazing that felt. I am so proud of these two. They're amazing, amazing people that they would produce this, and I could produce this generation, and now a new one. It's amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Learning about my past has kind of altered the direction that I've seen for myself going in the future. I want to be able to give my kids and saints something to look back on and say, hey, my mom, my grandma, she did this for us, and look where we are because of that. It's amazing.